From high-quality personalized items to pet products to corporate branding to whatever your imagination can think of, laser engraving remains one of the fastest-growing industries of our time. And this is the LabelMark laser marking machine range from AM.CO.za. The LabelMark optical fiber laser marking machine comes standard with a default 220 by 220 millimeter lens and is available in
20, 30, and 50 watt power.
The engraving depth is up to 0.3 millimeter, and it is able to mark on most solid materials with a particularly good result on metal surfaces. And it includes a rotary port for a variety of rotary attachments that are also available from AM.CO.za, as well as a foot switch. And the handheld LabelMark optical fiber laser marking machine is exactly the same, but as the name suggests, you can move the laser to wherever you want. So now you can engrave on horizontal or vertical surfaces. Pretty cool, right? Talking about cool, the LabelMark 5-watt UV laser all materials precision marking machine comes with its own chiller, as well as a foot switch, and makes use of a 5 watts ultraviolet laser with a 355 nanometers wavelength to achieve super high accuracy, engraving with very high contrast markings even on the most sensitive materials. A truly remarkable game changer. And this is the amazing LabelMark Flash laser marking machine with all the goodness of the UV laser, but with much more. The flagship of the LabelMark laser marking machine range. It is a 110 by 110 millimeter UV 5-watt fiber laser marking machine with a conveyor belt and CCD camera for visual dynamic positioning. It's the super high accuracy engraving of the UV laser, but with its own built-in computer system that allows you to mass produce engravings quickly and effectively. A CCD camera system picks up the position of the items to be engraved regardless of how they are laying on the conveyor belt, and the items just get engraved one after another with great precision and speed. And in a flash, your take-up box at the end of the conveyor belt will be filled up with engraved items. So whether you are looking for an entry-level laser marker, a handheld laser marker, a high-end UV laser marker, or if you are looking to upscale your production flow, just give sales a call to arrange your personal appointment and come and see these amazing machines for yourself. At am.co.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.